Smoking, heavy traffic-related exhaust fumes and air pollution. Many toxic substances enter our lungs consciously or unconsciously. These toxic substances can accumulate in the lungs over time, causing various lung problems and, if left untreated, lung cancer. The first way to protect the lungs from toxins is to quit smoking if smoking and tobacco use. If there is an accumulation of toxins due to reasons other than smoking and tobacco use, the way to prevent this is through food. In order to purify the lungs from toxins and create a detox and antioxidant effect, it is necessary not to miss the nutrients offered by the Universe Pharmacy on our tables. In fact, proper nutrition and nutrients form the basis of protection from all kinds of diseases. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video before moving on to the video. Lungs are vital to human health. When smoking or being exposed to polluted air, it may not be possible for the person to breathe comfortably. In this case, it may be necessary to clean the lungs with some methods. Why is the lung important? The lung is the organ that controls the breathing of our body and turns dirty blood into clean blood. If the lungs have problems, our breathing may become problematic. This causes damage to many organs. How is the lung cleaned? There are many ways to clean the lungs. When these are applied, the lungs can return to normal function, making breathing easier. It is possible to clean the lungs, which act as a vital organ for comfortable breathing, by consuming healthy foods and abandoning some harmful habits. If the lungs are to be cleaned, harmful habits such as smoking and alcohol should be abandoned. What are the foods that clean the lungs? Cress. You can take advantage of the miraculous effects of cress, especially to eliminate the damage and phlegm in the lungs of smokers. Cress is a very useful plant that accelerates fat burning in the human body and can be consumed in the form of salad. Cress is a member of the cruciferous family. In addition, cress oyster should be eaten raw. The seeds of cress inhibit antioxidants that are harmful to the body. However, it has a protective feature against cancer. Cress, which is very rich in vitamins E and C, has a cholesterol-lowering effect. This delays aging in humans. Cress is useful in many issues such as intestines, stomach and respiratory tract. Apart from this, cress, which strengthens the immune system, allows to be resistant to diseases. So what are the other benefits of cress? Which diseases is it good for? Why should we consume cress? Here are all the details. It is good for iron deficiency. Iron deficiency can happen to many of us. In iron deficiency, we get tired more quickly and we feel more sluggish. It causes a decrease in our body's resistance to diseases. When we do not consume enough iron-containing foods, we invite various ailments. However, the iron in cress will largely meet the body's needs. You can supplement your body with iron by consuming 1 to 4 leaves of cress, which is rich in iron, per day. It cleans the lungs. It is possible to correct and heal the damage in the liver and lungs with cress. Especially for smokers, the consumption of cress is extremely important. It is important for your health to consume cress, which will eliminate the damage caused by smoking. Because cress is one of the best-known toxin shooters. It prevents the formation of cancer. Cancer can occur for many reasons. However, it has been proven as a result of research that some chemicals in cress prevent the formation of cancer. Studies have shown that the chemical in cress interrupts the cancer communication signals between the brain and cells, causing shrinkage or even extinction in the tumor. Cress is a good diuretic. It should be consumed especially in urinary tract infections. Cress, whose health benefits have become indisputable, also treats serious diseases in the urinary tract by regulating the working system of the kidneys. Depending on the use, a burning sensation may be felt in the urine in the first days. These symptoms are signs that your diseases are starting to go away. It increases breast milk. A common concern of many women is lack of milk. When we consider the benefit and importance of breast milk on the child, it is not possible to justify this concern. An increase in the milk of women who regularly consume cress has been observed. When cress is used regularly, it also has therapeutic properties for many diseases that cause a decrease in milk. It is a plant that prevents problems such as forgetfulness. This plant, which strengthens memory, also provides vitality to the person who consumes it. It opens the breath and regulates cholesterol. In addition, cress has a blood cleansing effect. Along with these, cress, it regulates urinary tract and intestinal problems. It prevents the development of basic diseases such as cough and insomnia. How is cress consumed? Wash 1 bunch of cress well in the first 5 days of every month, once in 2 months. After washing the cress, cut it in half and squeeze only lemon on it. Half of it on an empty stomach in the morning. You should consume the other half on an empty stomach in the evening. You can continue this recipe for 5 days in each application, once in 2 months. Here are other nutrients that clean the lungs. Garlic. Garlic, one of the natural healing sources, is a very powerful antioxidant. In addition to its antioxidant feature, it provides cleaning of the lungs with the allicin chemical in it. The chemical allicin cleans the lungs and is good for problems such as colds. Ginger. One of the important nutrients needed for cleansing the lungs is ginger. Ginger helps to remove toxins and particles that may pose a danger to the lungs. Turmeric. With its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric undertakes the task of clearing the oxygen radical in the lung cells. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, one of the natural antibiotics, contains essential oils. These oils are very effective against lung diseases. The essential oils present in eucalyptus fight against lung infections, unclog congestion, increase blood flow and reduce swelling. Grape seeds. Grapeseed, which is a powerful antioxidant, protects the lungs by fighting the free radicals formed by the body, by providing what the body needs. When eating grapes, some people generally tend to remove the seeds. However, especially the seeds of black grapes are the main source of healing, and grapes should be consumed with their seeds. Oregano. The essential oils it contains are effective against chest congestion. It is against cough and upper respiratory tract inflammation and prevents the formation of bacteria thanks to its antibacterial properties. In order for the lungs to be healthy, they must first be cleansed of toxins. Carob. Carob is a food that helps the lungs get rid of toxins, in short, has a detox effect. Carob, which comes to the forefront with its lung cleansing and cancer protective effect, can be consumed by boiling it with water. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss our current videos. See you in other videos. Bye.